Children, it is activity page number 18 for day 16. It is activity about the multiplication and division of decimals. First you multiply the following. Children, you know the method of multiplying a number by a number. Now it is the multiplication of the decimal. First one is 4.6 into 7. Here the decimal point is after one digit. First you multiply as usual, that is 46 into 7. Know that 7 fours are 42, 4 carry, and 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. So you got 322. Then you write 322, but here count the number of digits after the decimal point. Here only one digit is there, so it is 32.2. 32.2 is the answer. Now you take this one. Here 1.8 into 2.4. 1.8 into 2.4. Take 18 into 24. Without decimal point, you take and multiply 18 into 24. Now here you know that 18 fours are 72. Then you take the plus or 0 here. Then 18 twos are 36. And now you add. So 2 plus 0 is 0 or 2, and 7 plus 6 is 13. 1 carry 4. You got 432. Then here you have to think about the decimal point. Here is 1 digit. Here also 1 digit. 1 plus 1, 2 digits. 1 plus 1 is 2. So after the decimal point, 2 digits. 1 plus 1, 2. So you start from 1, 2. Count from right. And here 4.32. 4.32. 1.8 into 2.4. Product is equals to 4.32. Similarly, you take the product of 14.56 into 2.8. To take this product, first you get the product of 1456 into 28. Here, first you multiply it by 8. 1456 into 8. So here 8 6 are 48. Right, 4 here. Then 8 5 are 40. 40 plus this 4, 44. Again you take carry 4. And 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4, 36. 3 carry. And 8 1s are 8 plus 3, 11. Now here you take plus or 0. Then you multiply this by 1456 into 2. You have to do 6 2s are 12. 1 carry. And 5 2s are 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. Then 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. Then 2 1s are 2. Then you write 8. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 9, 10. And 1 plus 2 plus 1. The sum of this 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. You got 40768. That is 40,768. Now you count the number of digits after the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So you take 1, 2, 3 and take the point after 8, 7, after 8, 6, 7. That is 40.768. After the decimal point, there are 3 digits. Here after the decimal point, 2 digits are there. Here after the decimal point, 1 digit. 2 plus 1, 3 digits comes after the decimal point. So it is 40.768. 40.768. Now you take the next one. 3.8 into 4. Here also multiply 38 by 4 and put the decimal point after one digit. That is, only one digit will be there after the decimal point. Next, 2.4 into 4.5. First you find the product of 24 and 45 and put the decimal point after 1 plus 1 2 digits like this way. Next, find the product of 12.34 into 4.1. Here also find the product of 1234 and 41. After that, put the decimal point. Here the decimal point comes after 1, here 2 plus 1 after 3 digits. Next, find the product of 7.4 into 8, that is 74 into 8, and put the decimal point after 1 digit. Next, 6.3 into 1.8, do 63 into 18, 21.87 into 5.6, then 9.6 into 5, 1.6 into 1.6, 7.46 into 3.7, then 5.3 into 0. You know that 53 into 0 is 0. Here also you will get 0 only. 7.4 into 2.7. 74 into 27. After that, put the decimal point after 2 digits. Here also 32.23 into 6.2. 3223 into 62 we have to do. Then 4.9 into 2. 49 into 2. Put the decimal point after 1 digit. 3.2 into 8.4, 32 into 84, then 24.9 into 3.19, that is 249 into 319. After that, put the decimal point after 1 plus 2, after 3 digit, that is 3 digit comes after decimal point. In this way, complete the multiplication by using the given hints. Next, divide the following. Divide the following. Children, it is a division of decimals from a number. 12.4 divided by 8. 12.4 divided by 8. Here you take the number 12.4, which is a decimal number. You divide it by 8. And in the first step, what we have to do? Here you take 1. 1 is smaller than 8. So, you take 12. Then 8 ones are 8 and you subtract this 8 from 12. 12 minus 8 you will get 4. Then next you take this 4 down. So it becomes 44, and as you are taking the number after the decimal point, here also take the decimal point. Then 8 5s are 40. 44 minus 40 is 4 you will get. Next you take 1 0, that becomes 40. Again it is 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 40 you will get 0. So you got the quotient, that is 12.4 divided by 8 equals how much? 1.55. Then you take the second one. 104.60 divided by 4. 104.60 divided by 4. So you write the number 104.60. 104.60. You divide it by 4. In the first step, we have to take 1, but 1 is smaller than 4. Then you take 10. And 4 2s are 8. 8 you write, subtract it. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then you take this 4 down. So it becomes 24. Then 4 6 are 24. Subtract 24, you will get 0. Then you take the next digit 6. Take 6 down. That is after the decimal point. So you take point here. Then 4 1s are 4 1s are 4. 6 minus 4 you will get 2. Then next you take 0. Here you have taken the digit after the decimal point and you take 0, and you know that 4 5s are 20. So you will get 0. 20 minus 20 is 0. Therefore 104.60 divided by 4 equals 26.15. 26.15. Next, one more example you take. 845.64 divided by 12. Then you take that number 845.64. Then it is to be divided by 12. You write here. Now you take the first number 8. It is smaller than 12. Then you take the number 84. Then 12 sevens are 84. So you cancel it and you will get 0. Next you take this number 5. But here 5 is less than 12. So you take 0. And next you take the next number 6. That is after the decimal point. So put the point. So here 56 you got. First you have taken 5 down. It is smaller than 12. So here we have taken 0 and next digit 6 is taken down. So it becomes 56. Here 6 is after the decimal point. Therefore here you write the point. Then 12 fours are 48. 56 minus 48 is 8. Then you take the next digit down. 84 it becomes. 84. Then 12 sevens are 84. 84 minus 84 you will get 0. So you got that 845.64 divided by 12 is equals to 70.47. 70.47. Then next you here by using these hints, children do the division. 14.7 divided by 7. 21.34 divided by 3. 35.80 divided by 5. 63.72 divided by 7. 84.9 divided by 9. 204.4 divided by 4. 156.2 divided by 2. 248.5 divided by 5. 654.2 divided by 6. Then 12.06 divided by 12. 23.7 divided by 10. 68.6 divided by 1.4 and 19.50 divided by 2. Here you have to divide it by the decimal number. In that case what you are going to do, 68.6 divided by 1.4 means that becomes 686 divided by 14. Here there are same digits after the same number of digits after the decimal point, so you can cancel them. That is nothing but 686 divided by 14. So you divide 686 by 14. In this way, follow the steps discussed in these 3 model examples